Most designers think that award-winning websites are all about animations, so they add insane 3D elements and crazy transitions, scroll animations everywhere, and then wonder why their designs don't feel premium. The thing is, award-winning websites are not about being flashy. They're about every single detail feeling intentional. The typography, the spacing, the layout, everything there is there for a reason. And the motion supports the experience instead of distracting from it. I'll be showing you my most favorite 5 awards-winning websites and what patterns they all follow. So we start over here with Father Inferno. And now, when we land on the website, you can see there's this intro screen. And then it requires some kind of interaction to move on, which is one of the patterns that all of the websites follow. Where you land, you are not just provided content straight away, you're being provided an intro screen, which then takes you to the content. So let's continue. And here it's like another intro screen, which just gives you some more content. It's like to give you context, but like not all at once. That's what it's done for. And it provides user with one flow of action. And as you can see here, there's amazing storytelling and beautiful drawing, beautiful art here. There's navigation over here, and the navigation is full screen, as you can see, which is actually an important detail. And you can see there's animation going on. It's not just a drawing, it's an image, like a cartoon, you know, there's animation going on. And this way of navigation is very unusual. And the way the text fades in and fades out, everything like this, those small details are actually really important. And they all contribute to why this was an awards-winning website for a site of the year. So you can see the art and the mouse movement effects. So this is one of the most important things ever. The mouse movement effects actually play a huge role in the website. Every single one of the websites that I will show you will have those. And as you can see, the website gets more intense here, kind of as you move through the story, more things are going on. Now let's go on to the next website that I wanted to show you. This website over here, it has sound effects and everything like that. As you can see, there is an intro screen, which I've mentioned before. All the websites have those because they want to provide you context, but not all of it at once. And also, while the intro screen is showing, it's loading behind the scenes some data for you. And you can see the mouse movement effects, like you can move your mouse and it shows what is happening. Like you can see the animation of moving particles as you move your mouse. So then you can click enter, and there's another like loading-ish screen, intro screen, that provides you more context without actually subtracting from your website experience. So now it's loading, and once it's loaded, we are being welcomed on this site. As you can see, the mouse movement effects still present. There's menu, which is actually like checklist kind of thing here. And it's very interactive because you can move around, you can walk, you can, I think you can jump. Yeah, you can jump. And this, it has amazing storytelling. As you can see, it's all one flow. You don't really have much freedom choice in the beginning and things like that. So yeah, this is how it's going. And now let's continue to the next website. This website right here also has huge mouse movement effects as you land on it. You can see this is really liquidy kind of effect. And honestly, this is amazing because it shows how it combines mouse movement effects with imagery and 3D items and stuff. And as you scroll, this moves away, moves out of the screen kind of, and being captured as a separate picture. And you can see a lot of bright colors, huge typography, interesting fonts. Actually, you can see them, the signature, bright color mixed with the same color but more muted. You can see the background is moving, it's animated. There's a lot of things going on right here, surely. There's the background keeps changing as you go through the website, while the images appear, and they all have dates, names, and labels, you know, things like that. And it was horizontal scroll, which now goes back to vertical scroll, which now is pretty much coming to the end of the website. Where here we have multiple cards over here showcasing with the dates and the labels and the year of when those were used, like happened, you know, and so on and so on. So this is actually a perfect example of how it should go. It's all one flow. The details, the motion highlight the experience instead of actually distracting from it or reducing it. So let's go to the next one. This website was around for a while. You could see the loading like intro screen, and now you can see more mouse movement effects. Oh wow, how interesting. Not like we've seen those in the previous two websites or, you know, before. But yeah, mouse movement effects are really important, and those are everywhere. Like every single award-winning website has them. Also, there's sound here as well. Every single website, I don't know if you've noticed by now, but they have sounds. So that's actually also very important. As we keep scrolling, there's scroll animations that actually highlight the experience instead of being some random ones that don't really match the website vibe. So that's something I want to point out. And as you can see, there's a lot of mouse movement effects. That's really, really important. That typography is really interesting. You can see the logo is a separate typography from the font that's used as a body text everywhere. There are two fonts throughout the website, as it should be usually on most websites, because too many fonts would be a burden. So we can scroll and we can see that there's a continuous flow. You don't have a lot of things you can go do, you know, it's all one flow. You don't have a bunch of links you should follow, or you can't really miss out on anything because it just gives you one flow that you can follow, you know, that kind of deal. So at the end we get those socials, but we can keep scrolling down and it loops back to the first page, which is actually so unique. I think this is the only awards-winning site of the year website that did that, but it's actually so amazing and so unique. So let's continue. This is the last website I will show you, but this is one of my favorites actually. So you land on it, and again there's an intro screen. You click enter, and there's another intro screen. I don't know if you can hear sounds. Let me turn them down, but there's a lot of going on. I mean, not a lot. It's all one flow. There's a landing screen like intro, and now there's enter screen. So you can click start. And you can see the background texture and everything has such amazing art. And you can see again mouse movement effects because it's so interactive. You can drag to grow flowers. This website has been a phenomenon. Like, it's the most beautiful thing, honestly. In my opinion, it's one of my favorite awards-winning websites for award of the year. It's truly fascinating, you know. So we can continue. And it's still all one flow. It's not many flows. It's just like you don't have choices of where to go, you know. Also, you can probably notice again as the very first website, as you move the mouse, you can see the perspective changes, making it look like kind of you're inside the experience. And you're all in the story and you're part of it. So you can see it's kind of like 3D elements and a lot of mouse movement effect as well. And when we click next, pay attention to this. There's a huge difference in transitions. You can click next. And the transition adds onto the story, adds onto the experience instead of distracting from it, which is what exactly I've been saying from the start. So this is one of my favorite websites as well. And it shows the whole storytelling process of how this website was made. I want to say a huge thank you for those who finished watching this video. Your support means a lot to me. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. And here's the video I think you should watch next.